With the part 2 of justice delayed is justice denied. Recently we talk about that there are over 5 crore cases pending different court, and if we go by the same speed it is going to take 300 years, and nobody is going to wait 300 years. So you know that there is a jurist under jurisprudence under a realistic school. So he beautifully said that there is a difference between what law says in book and how law is being actually applied in reality. So one of the argument which was given to me was that in India, thorough investigation is very necessary, and in judiciary, thorough investigation is very important in order to ensure the fairness. Therefore, in India, justice is being delayed because we do not want that an innocent is being imprisoned. So therefore, in order to save the innocent, we need to do a thorough investigation, which is obviously going to take time. It is very soothing to listen because we are also following the natural justice, which says that everybody has right to be heard and nobody should be judged on his own or in his own case. So Odi Altrum Patam, this is a very beautiful maxim, and we also following the procedure established by the law. So I want to tell you that in India, the cases are not being delayed because of the thorough investigation and because of the more number of hearing which judiciary is providing. It is delayed because of the time gap which is set by the judiciary between every hearing. So the time limit which we are getting between every hearing is a very long, which prolongs the process. And actually, sometimes it is 6 months, sometimes it is 7 months. It is too long, which make the judgment delayed, and the case drags on years and sometimes decades, sometimes 2 decades. So it is not because of the thorough investigation. If you compare number of hearing in India to any another country, you will found that in India the number of hearing is less. The judge is allotting only approximately 5 to 7 minutes to every case in a lower court. So it is not because of the more time which a judge allotting, because judge is having lot of burden. So in order to reduce the burden, it is giving the less time, and after that 5 to 7 minutes approximately, the next case will be heard by him. So basically, it is not because of the thorough investigation, because of the more number of hearing. It is because of the time limit which we are getting between every hearing, and that make the judgment delayed. So when you listen that, oh my god, it is done because of the ensuring the fairness and ensuring the accountability, it is not. The delayed is not happening because of that. The delayed is happening because of the more number of cases below, because of the backlog of cases. So still I believe that something is need to be done. So let's talk about the part 3 of this series.